such a lonely day, and it's mine, the most loneliest day of my life. Such a lonely day should be banned. It's a day that I can't stand. The most loneliest day of my life.
Look, a barn! Wow, is this a barn? We should go check it out. Let's go check it out. Oh my gosh, look, an apple. An apple! Eat it. I'm gonna take a bite. I'm gonna take a bite. Let's go look for more.
Hey, what are you guys doing over here? Where are they? Shit. Oh, I guess they're gone. I'm just gonna go back a little.
Is he gone? Where is he gone? That was close. Can we go back in the barn? We can't. It's too dangerous. Why? We could just hide. But he chased us again. We were lucky to even get out. Oh my God. We'll find all the snow. Oh, we better go inside before. Let's go cover. Yeah, let's go get some cover before we get. Oh, cold. Look, a tent. Oh, our tent in the woods. Oh, it's so warm under here, and we're not getting cold and snowy. Oh. Yay. Let's go, Dad. Yeah. Let's go see what we can find today. Look, a house. Oh my gosh, is this a house? It's a house. Let's see what they have for us. Let's go look in the shelf. A can of soda. Soda! Let's have some. Okay. You have the rest. No, you promised. I thought you were going to try some. We'll save good. We'll save it for later. Okay. Oh, what else can we find in here? Let's go to look. Let's go to look. What is this? It's glue. It makes things stick together. Oh! Can we eat it? No. I think I hear something outside. You hear something outside? Might be a dog or a wolf or something. Oh my God. Dad, I'm scared. Dad, come back. Stay behind me. Don't touch it. Let's go. He could have rabies. Wait, let's get this one. Dad, are you okay? Are you okay? I'm fine. I'm fine. Are you going to die on me? I'm not going to die on you. Okay, let's go in the woods. Sit down. Dad, are you okay? Are you sure? Maybe I'll just drink some water. Okay.
But yeah, you can tell me and I can.
Oh, Dad, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, Dad! Dad! Wait! Don't die on me! You said you wouldn't die on me! Dad!
Wait, stay away. Stay away.
Can I say bye to my dad for the last time?
Yes.
Dad! Why'd you die on me? You said you wouldn't.
while you're here, though, Asia, what about you?